Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix computer zoom. That if your computer is zoomed or zoomed in or zoomed out, how you can fix that. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to press on the window button and we have to search for the magnifier here. So as you can see now, this is the magnifier and we have to click on this. So as you can see now, this is zoom. If you want to make it zoom out, you can also do that. So what we have to do, as you can see, we have to go to this plus icon. If you want to zoom in, so we have to click on this plus icon. As you can see, you will be able to see the shortcut key Windows key plus logo. We have to press on the Windows and then we have to press the plus, and as you can see now it's zooming in. If you want, you have to press on the Windows key and zoom minus. As you can see now, if you want to zoom in, we have to click on the Windows button, Window plus, and if you want to zoom it out, you have to click on the Window plus minus button. So in this way you can fix the zoom in, zoom out, and I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So thank you for the watching and see you in the next video.